Hi friends, good morning. Hope you are all good today. So for our activity for today is storytelling. So I would like you to introduce to you two of our friends who will be joining with us for our storytelling for today. Wanna, are you excited to meet them? Okay, so for today, the Hares will be joining us for our storytelling for today, and of course the cute tortoise, the hares and the tortoise. They will be here for us today, this morning, for our storytelling. So do you have any idea, friends, what is our story for today? Any guess? You don't guess? Okay. So our story for today is about the hares and the tortoise. So before we start our story for today, let us sing first our opening song for today. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready, friends? Okay, so let us sing for our opening song. Are we ready? Are we ready? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Are we ready? Are we ready? Story time. Story time. Are we ready? Are we ready? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay, friends. So, when Miss Romalyn is telling a story, what should we do? Open our eyes, open our ears, lock our lips, hands on the lap, sit like a pretzels, and eyes on Miss Romalyn. Okay, so let's start our story for this morning. Our story is about the tortoise, the hare and the tortoise. In the forest, the forest, the hare and the tortoise. Once upon a time, in a forest, there lived a little hare who loved to race with his friends. I'm so fast. No one can beat me, says the hares. He always boasted that one. It was true, said the squirrel. The mouse and the toad had all tried, but hare always came first. I'll race you, said a small voice said the tortoise. So the tortoise said, I will race you. You, said the hare. You, the slowest in the forest, race me? And then the hare laughed. Oh, come on. This is going to be the easiest race ever, said the hare. The first one to reach the end of the meadow is the winner. Ready, get set, go. As soon as the race began, hares hopped in the distance, but tortoise barely moved from the starting line. When the hare reached the old oak tree, tortoise was still nowhere in the sight. Feeling hot and tired from all the hopping, said the tortoise. Said the hare. So hare decided to rest beneath the shady leaves. So the hare decided to rest first because he feels very tired. Hare fell into a deep sleep. She dreamt of her forest friends cheering her name, and lifting her into the sky. Hare was still fast asleep when Tortoise plodded slowly, steady towards the tree, and he plodded past it. And when he plodded in the meadow, Squirrel, Dormoise, and Toad began to cheer for Tortoise. Tortoise, Tortoise, go, go, fast, fast. The chanting Hare, wake up. When she saw Tortoise near the end of the meadow, she hopped faster than she'd ever hopped before, but it wasn't enough to beat Tortoise. I did it, said the tortoise. His friends lifted him in the sky. Hare slumped to the ground, hopping and puffing. You only beat me because I was sleeping, she sniffed. Actually, it's because I didn't give up, said the tortoise. But don't worry, Hare. you'll win others' race. And Hare did, but she never boasted ever again. So, and that's the end of the story of the hare and the tortoise. So, what's the moral of the story, friends? Any guess? Okay, so the moral of the story is slowly and steady will win the race, and always be nice and kind to other people or to others. And attitude and behavior is the most important matters. So that's the end of the story for today, friends. I hope you enjoy and have a great day. Bye.